Ravishi. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today I have brought a new video. These are 10 questions, 3 options, and 5 seconds. So let's start. My first question is, which is the largest living bird on earth? A. Emu. B. Albatross. C. Ostrich. The correct answer is ostrich. So let's move to our next question. My second question is, what is the only type of bird that can fly backward? A. Eagles. B. Hummingbird. C. Kingfisher. The correct answer is hummingbird. So let's move to our next question. My third question is, what type of bird catches fish in its throat pouch? A. Pelican. B. Flamingo. C. Kingfisher. The correct answer is pelican. So let's move to our next question. My fourth question is, which bird lays the largest eggs? A. Song thrush. B. Emu. C. Ostrich. The correct answer is ostrich. So let's move to our next question. Fifth question is, which of these body parts do birds not have? A. Brain. B. Toes. C. Teeth. The correct answer is teeth. So let's move to our next question. My next question is, which bird can head around to look backwards? A. Owl. B. Parrot. C. Honey eater. The correct answer is owl. So let's move to our next question. My seventh question is, Kiwi is a native bird of which of the following countries? A. South Africa. B. New Zealand. C. Australia. The correct answer is New Zealand. So let's move to our next question. My eighth question is, how many years emu bird can live? A. 30 years. B. 50 years. C. 40 years. The correct answer is 30 years. So let's move to our ninth question. My ninth question is, which is the national bird of India? A. Pigeon. B. Parrot. C. Peacock. The correct answer is peacock. So let's move to our next question. My question is, which bird has no wings at all? A. Penguin. B. Bat. C. Kiwi. The correct answer is kiwi. So friends, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy my quiz. Please give a like in this video and share this video to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Super 10 GK Quiz. So that's all for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye. Take